how to log in to Facebook. So if you want to log in to Facebook, then first of all you need to open up your Facebook application. And after opening your Facebook application, now you can simply go for log into another account. If you want to log into another account instead of the account which you have saved on your device, or if you have already saved in an account, then you can simply tap on that account. But I'll be logging into another account. So here you have to enter your mobile number or your email address on the first blank, and after entering that, here on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on forgotten password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you have remembered your password, then simply enter your password, and then you can simply tap on login. But if you have not created an account, then you can go for create new account, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you can create a new Facebook account. But to log in, you can simply enter your mobile number or your email address, any one of that, and then password, and tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your account, and now you can use your Facebook account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.